So today we're going to talk about smiling, your giving of time, and a soaring bird. And remember that you are very special. You are the only one of a kind, and the world needs you. So Biz the crow and Birdie and Buzz and Bert were all sitting on a tree. Birdie, the wise older sister, was already there, standing tall and still, like she always did. "Hey, Birdie," Buzz said, tilting his head. "I was thinking about something Santa once told me." "Oh," said Birdie kindly, "what did he say?" Buzz looked serious. "He said that there's a gift even better than what Santa could give, even better than toys." "Do you remember what that was?" "Smile and time," he said. "If you see someone who's sad or lonely, like an old person who sits alone a lot, you can go to them, stand close, and smile." Now, this could also be with a friend who's not feeling very well. "That's right," said Gertie gently. "A smile can be the warmest gift. It tells people they matter." Buzz flapped his wings once. "And if you're feeling brave," he added, that is Santa, "you can ask them to tell a story. Grown-ups love to tell stories and talk about their lives and people they love." Bertie gave a happy little nod. "That's true. And when you listen, you're giving them joy. That's a kind of magic all on its own." Buzz thought for a moment. "Even a little kid like me can do that, huh?" "Especially a little kid like you," Bertie said with a wink. After a moment, Buzz looked up at the sky and pointed with his wing. "Bertie, what's that bird way up there? It's huge. It's flying without flapping its wings." Bertie looked up and smiled. "Ah, that's a frigate bird. It has wings as long as two daddies standing one on top of the other." Buzz, a grown man, that's a wide wingspan. What a flyer. "They're amazing," Bertie said. "They can fly for weeks without landing at all. They catch fish. They jump out of the water when being chased, and sometimes they even catch fish from other birds." "That sounds a little sneaky." "It's just their way," Bertie said. "And guess what? Some people call them messenger birds. A long time ago, families would take frigate birds on boats when they took trips for a week or two. If something happened, they'd let the bird fly home, and the bird would carry the message back to the family." Buzz's beak dropped open. "No way. That's better than an iPhone." Bertie chuckled. "In a way, yes. People also believe that birds have meanings, like how crows are smart and forgiving. Ibises are calm and wise. You can imagine a bird that matches someone you love." Buzz fluttered up to the branch. "So if I meet a kind person, I can say, 'They're like a dove.' Or if someone is brave, maybe they're like a hawk." "Exactly," said Bertie. Buzz looked back at the sky. "So when explorers saw a frigate bird, they knew they were close to land, right?" Yes, said Birdie. It gave them hope, just like a smile can give someone hope too. Buzz smiled at Birdie. I'm going to give my time and my smile to someone today. And if I see a frigate bird, I'll wave. Birdie laughed and flapped her wings. That sounds like a wonderful day. And that is the end of the story today. Thank you.